Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new project called Future Gold. Yeah. So here we go. Let me explain to you what it is. First of all, you buy and hold the Future Gold token and you earn Elrond, okay? Let me explain to you. You get 5% Elrond reward. For those of you who don't know Elrond, you know, the price of Elrond right now is about $52, but it was already up at almost $500, yeah? So if it would go back to the previous high, yeah, it would make about a 10x from here, okay? So let me show you, how does it work? You buy Future Gold, you hold Future Gold, you earn 5% Elrond hourly, that's a lot. Then you have the option to stake your Elrond and then you get an additional reward, okay? The link to the white paper, I will put it here. Let me show you. Why stake on Elrond? Elrond is running the energy efficient secure proof of stake consensus mechanism, okay? Validators and delegators stake e-gold to secure the network and earn rewards. I mean, you can go through all the points here yourself if you want to. I will put the link in the description anyway. So let's go. Right now it's on pre-sale, on pink sale, yeah. So, and usually, you know, a pre-sale is a good timing to get into a project because, I mean, as always guys, no financial advice. I'm just showing you those kind of projects, and always do your own research before you invest your own money. But you know, if you're lucky and they already raised about 181 BNB, pre-sale ends in 1 day, 22 hours, 9 minutes. And you know, if you get in this project early, you could, of course, already get a nice reward from your investment, because when it gets listed, the price could already be higher. Okay. So right now, as I've said, it's on pink sale. They have been audited and KYC'd, the team. Okay. How much can I earn? I mean, okay, guys, always take it with a grain of salt, because let's see, you invest, if your investment amount is $1,000 and the average daily volume would be 1 million, then you would have yearly earnings of $182,500 and so on, okay? And if you all stake, yeah, then you have your yearly earnings plus 21.45% for staking, okay? Here you can see, buy Future Gold, stake Elrond, and then you get 21.45% additional rewards, which is quite interesting, okay? Yeah, this is the audit. Let me just give you a short overview. You see, rug pool review, locked liquidity, top 5 holder, the team has passed KYC by solid proof. Honeypot review, ability to sell, the owner is not able to pause the contract, the owner can't set fees over 25%, and pink anti-bot, okay? I mean, you can read the entire audit here, link in the description as always. Here's their Telegram, here is their Twitter, okay? So this is a pretty nice, I mean, interesting project, I would say. Actually, the first one that I know of, which pays you the reward in Elrond. It's a pretty nice feature, I would say. And as I've mentioned before, the Elrond price, you know, it's pretty low right now. And just by going back to the previous high, it could do about a 10x, yeah? So guys, as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.